God is existing within all particles, but God is neither observable as a particle nor observable as a wave associated with the particle. The essence of matter and particle and wave is existing independent of particle and wave both, and it is not observable in principle. That is why in 1927 in the Solvay Congress, when the doctrine of quantum mechanics was being prepared, it was acknowledged that it is impossible for the mind to understand the nature of reality by understanding any rational thought. The fundamental truth about the universe will always remain hidden from our inquiring mind. That caused Einstein to protest that the most incomprehensible thing about this universe is that it is comprehensible. Why Einstein was surprised to know that this universe is comprehensible? This is what is not comprehensible for me. Because Einstein was understanding the universe as a person, he was assuming. But actually, everybody is understanding the universe not as an individual person, but as the self who is responsible for the creation of the universe. What is there to surprise if I can understand something which I myself have created? This is the thing. If Einstein had come to know, and Einstein got so many chances to understand this mystery. He met twice with Rabindranath Tagore. And Rabindranath Tagore tried to convince him that Mr. Einstein, the universe has no reality independent of your consciousness. But Einstein rejected it. He was a classical physicist. His two theories, special and general, are also classical. He contributed in quantum mechanics, but he never represented himself as a quantum physicist. His thinking was classical. And that is why he had to appeal before God to make him understand how the universe was created. And these people who never tried to ask, but they could understand the origin of the universe. If we believe that these physicists are understanding their own ideas,